How to fix Android vibration not working. For this, open a phone setting. From here, you have to go ahead and search for sound and vibration, then tap on it. Now, you have to tap on vibrate for incoming calls, then set it to always vibrate. Once you do that, you can head back from here. Make sure vibrate for notifications is toggled on. If it looks something like this, simply tap on it. Set your ringtone volume to very high, then reduce it at the very lowest to enable your vibration mode. Head back from here, then tap on apps. From here, tap on all apps, then tap on the three-dot icon and tap on show system apps. Search for sounds. Tap on it. Now first and foremost, tap on storage and cache, then tap on clear cache. Once you do that, the bug that might be causing the issue will also be fixed. You can also try by restarting your device. So go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for watching.